oladoc YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलें। अब पाकिस्तान के हजारों डॉक्टर से वीडियो कंसल्टेशन के जरिए इलाज करवाएं। तो अभी oladoc ऐप डाउनलोड करें और घर बैठे अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखें। oladoc, मुश्किल वक्त में आपके साथ।
Hi guys, this is Maha. Welcome to One Room Workout. This is a 15-minute legs and butt workout without equipment. Let's look at the preview. इस वीडियो के अंदर हम 2 राउंड्स कर रहे होंगे। हर राउंड में 4 एक्सरसाइजेज होंगे। Once we're done with our first round, we're going to repeat the same exercises for the second round. And we're going to end the workout with a finisher. This is a very easy, very efficient workout for your legs, for your butt, and for your inner thighs. Like I always say, whenever you're doing an exercise for the first time, आपका posture, आपका form correct होना चाहिए. Never ever compromise on that. That's your rule number 1. We do not need any warm-up for this workout, but if you want, you can go to my channel One Room Workout and do a quick warm-up routine. We do not need any equipment for this workout. I'm just using a yoga mat for comfort. You can too. Let's get started with the workout now. The first exercise for the first round is a narrow squat with a regular squat. I'm going to guide you in the first round. We're going to start with a squat, step out, squat, come back, squat, step out, squat again. So we're doing a narrow squat and then we're stepping out and doing a regular squat. Make sure when you're squatting down, your butt comes out first, like you're sitting in a chair. Make sure आपकी back straight हो. The depth of the squat is dependent on your fitness level. अगर आप इतना deep नहीं आ सकते हैं, that's fine. अगर मुझसे ज़्यादा deep कर सकते हैं, that's also very good. Breathe in, breathe out. This is our first exercise for the first round. After this, we're going to head to the ground. We're almost there. Amazing. Now let's just move to the ground. We're going to do one-legged glute bridges. Back flat on the ground. One leg goes up in the air. Now we're going to move our hips up and down. Lift your hips up and down. Make sure your arms are on the side. Once we're done with one leg, we're going to switch to the other leg. Make sure when you're bringing your hips up, you have a constant squeeze on them. We're almost there. Let's switch our legs. And let's go again. If at any point you want to make this move easier, you can rest your foot on the ground and then come back up. As I said, this is a very efficient workout, so we're not going to have a lot of breaks. We're almost done with our second exercise. For the third one, I would want you to stand up on the ground again. We're almost there. Amazing, guys. For the third one, we're going to do a sumo squat. So feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointed out, and we're going to squat down and up. Down and up. Like I always say, when you're squatting down, your hips should come out first and then you should move down. आपका जितना deep squat होगा उतना बेहतर है, but make sure you're doing what you're capable of. Breathe in, breathe out. This is our third exercise for the first round. Make sure your knees aren't collapsing inward. They're straight. Your back is straight. And your butt is coming out first when you're doing a squat. Let's get as many reps as we can. We're almost there. Amazing. Now let's get to the floor again. We're going to do a clamshell. Roll on one side. Feet and knees together. Now open up your hips and close. Repeat. We're doing one leg at a time. Make sure when you open up your hips, you really squeeze them. You keep a constant squeeze on them. It's a very good move for your hips. Breathe in, breathe out. Make sure your feet are together. This is not a race. Go at your own pace. After this side, we're going to switch to the other side. Let's switch. Let's get back in the position. Minimal break time. And let's go. Let's burn those legs out. This is our last exercise for the first round. We're going to take a 5-second break and we're going to repeat this again. We're going to take a 5-second break and repeat all the exercises for the second round. Amazing. Let's get up. We're going to get back to a narrow squat with a regular squat. Let's start. Step out, squat, step in, squat, step out, squat, step in, squat. Make sure when you're squatting down, you're bringing your butt out first. Your back should be straight. Breathe in, breathe out. This is your second round. We're almost there. Amazing. Let's head to the ground. We're going to do one-legged glute bridges. Back flat on the ground. One leg up in the air. Knee bent. Now lift your hips up and down. Up and down. As I said, we're doing one side at a time. Make sure you squeeze your hips when you bring them up. If you want to make this move easier, you can rest your foot on the floor when you come down. Your arms and hands on the side. Let's switch our legs. Let's go. This is our second exercise for the second round. Let's give it our best shot. We're only giving 15 minutes to our legs. So let's make sure we burn as much as we can. Amazing, guys. We're going to do a sumo squat. Let's go. Squat down, up. Make sure your butt is coming out first. The depth of the squat is dependent on your fitness level. So if you can go deeper, that's very good. अगर आप मेरे जितना deep नहीं हो सकते, that's fine. Make this workout your own. Just do not pause the video. Just keep on going. We're almost there. This is our third exercise for the second round. We're almost done with the workout. Make sure your knees aren't collapsing in. Your back is straight. Your core is tight. Amazing, guys. Now we're going to do a clamshell. Let's head to the ground. Roll on to one side. Feet and knees together. Now open your hips and close them. As you know, we're doing one side at a time. Breathe in, breathe out. This is your last exercise for the second round. We're doing one side at a time. Make sure your feet are together. Make sure you're squeezing your hips. Let's give it our best. This is our last exercise for the second round. Let's switch. Minimize your break time. Let's get back in the position. Let's go. After this, we'll be done with all the exercises for the first round and the second round, but I want to end this workout with a finisher for 30 seconds. which is basically sitting in a squat, staying in a squat position for 30 seconds. I would really encourage you to do that, to really make sure that you've given your best to your legs. But if you think that you cannot do it, then you can stop after these 2 rounds, that's okay. But I would really encourage you to at least challenge yourself and try the finisher. It's only for 30 seconds. Let's go. Now let's stand up on the floor. We're going to do a 30-second finisher. We're going to come down in a squat and stay in the same position for 30 seconds. Don't quit. We're almost there. You're almost done with the workout. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't think about the burn. Think about the positive things in life. We're almost there. Yes. And we're done. Amazing, guys. I'm very proud of you. Thank you. If you like this workout, please subscribe to my channel and I'm going to see you at your next workout.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। लाखों लोगों की तरह पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े डॉक्टर नेटवर्क का फायदा उठाएं और आज ही oladoc ऐप डाउनलोड करें। oladoc, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।